There we go. Now we back? I don't know what the fuck. Ugh, come on. Why is everything crashing on me? I'm not even running that much stuff. So that was OBS crashing. So I switched all the way to freaking regular OBS for nothing, apparently. I'm trying to get everything back up. Just give me a sec. We got new music right now. Nobody hacked me. It was going so well last night. Okay. Is that better? Music, everything? Good. I honestly don't know what's going on. It's not even using that much of my memory or CPU. It's fine. I'm so confused. Oh well, anyway. Right, let's get back to this guy. Yeah, so anyway, he called me a grifter. And basically I said he was being factually inaccurate by calling me a grifter and that kind of crap. But anyway, I said I'm done trying to have a conversation with you, and I blocked him because honestly he was just responding to everything I said with like 5 different freaking tweets. All right, then I'm gonna freaking do this. Yeah, then he posts this. This is after I blocked him. By the way, guys, if a guy is selling a web app hacking course, which I'm not, but pushes the narrative that, and this is in quotes, everyone is a hacker this strongly, you might want to question the conflicts of interest there. It's grifting season, baby. So calling me a grifter again. But he quoted this. He implied, this is an implication that I said this shit. I never said everyone's a hacker. I never said anything remotely close to everyone is a hacker. I just said social engineers are hackers. So, and now he's implying that I'm trying to convince everyone is a hacker so I can sell courses, I guess, which is just the dumbest thing. But anyway. And yeah, calling me a grifter again. And again, if you call someone a grifter, you're calling them a scammer. Gatekeeping, right, exactly. But yeah, anyway, that was this morning. There was a hacker who'd buy your courses. Right, exactly. Exactly my point. Okay, I don't know. I assume everything is up still. I don't know why it crashed. That's so weird. I see what you're trying to do, Jackson. We're not... I guess that's technically fine because it's not actually... Because I can pronounce... That's fine. I can pronounce sea quail injection. Because that's not the same thing. Anyway... I'm just surprised. Honestly, my takeaway from this... Let me get back on webcam. My takeaway from this is I'm just surprised that there is a section of the community that honestly tries to gatekeep the term hacker for some reason. And who thinks that social engineers aren't hackers. And I was confused because obviously I don't want to be like wrong. Like, who wants to be wrong? So I reached out to some people in the industry who run hacking teams, and I'm like, hey, is social engineering hacking? And they were like, yeah. And one of them actually said, honestly, without our social engineers, like 90% of the red team engagements would be rubbish. So I don't know. It just seems odd. So I don't generally like gatekeeping, and I don't think people are doing it purposefully. I think also it's possible that there's some confusion because so the term cybersecurity and the term information security are effectively synonymous in this industry, right? Like, you can say cybersecurity, you can say information security. They basically mean the same thing. But at the same time, the words themselves have kind of different focuses. So information security clearly is focusing on the security of information, the security of actual data, right? Cybersecurity is, the security of cyber, right? So the security of computers. But the issue is people usually use one or the other. Like Zero Kirin says, always consider cybersecurity under the InfoSec umbrella, part of InfoSec. So I would agree there. The issue is hardly anyone refers to like one or the other. It's always one or the other. Like, if you're talking about the cybersecurity industry, you're generally just talking about the entire umbrella. So the words have sort of slowly just become synonymous, even though they are kind of distinct. So that might be, I think, where some confusion. Because don't get me wrong, if we're being pedantic, and I love being pedantic, if we're being pedantic, then social engineers aren't in cybersecurity. I think even social engineers would agree with that. Social engineering isn't attacking the security of a computer, right? But it is definitely part of information security. Ultimately, the point and the point of both pen testing and social engineering is the same. The end goal is effectively the same. It's compromising some kind of data. Now, whether that data is access or like actual, bits from a file, it's the same goal. But it's sort of different. Would you say OSINT exists in cybersecurity, or is also not covered under cybersec? OSINT is a weird one. Yeah, OSINT's interesting, isn't it? Because it could honestly... OSINT is obviously used by social engineers, but it can also be used by pen testers. So it might belong in both, to be fair. But some people might think that cybersecurity and information security aren't synonymous, and cybersecurity is not a subset of information security. Google. I mean, I disagree with Google then. So Google thinks the category is cybersecurity. That's even worse, though. So Google thinks the category is cyber. So hang on a minute. Google thinks the umbrella is cybersecurity and information security exists within cybersecurity, and other people think information security is the umbrella and cybersecurity exists within information. This shit's confused. This is why they're synonymous. This is why nobody can decide. Question is, does it matter? It doesn't matter so much. It only matters when you try and gatekeep and basically say, "Oh, you're not a hacker if you're a social engineer." I think that puts people off. If you sort of start criticizing people over what they call themselves. Not Google. It was a Google search. It was from the University of Alabama in Birmingham. Okay, but I mean, I don't know. That's the thing. Like, nobody can freaking. This is why it's so complicated. But yeah, like that's ultimately, does it actually matter? it doesn't in the grand scheme of things, but it does matter when we're talking about trying to encourage more people to enter the industry. And if you sort of downplay their roles, I think that's a bad thing. So I don't have an issue calling social engineers hackers, because ultimately I think they are. They hack things. Those things happen to be humans. So yeah. It can be excessive rigor, but probably just entitlement. Some people with tech skills don't want to see his status diluted and diminished by people. Yes, exactly. That's another thing. Like, people think, oh, you know, I learned all this stuff to become a hacker, and now like there's people who, you know, are using psychology and doing. But I don't understand. Like, that's I don't get offended by people calling themselves hackers. They hack the human brain. Exactly. Hello, Tiberius. I recently interviewed for a few cybersec positions, and in reality, those were just SOC analyst positions. The interviewers didn't understand the difference. Oh, jeez. I mean, I guess SOC analyst is a cybersecurity position, but like, what were they actually billing the positions as in the job description? You could say software engineers and cybersec experts are under the eye. No, they definitely are. I would agree with that. Which is way more complicated. So I think the issue is it's not a clean umbrella. I think it's almost like a Venn diagram. So I think you have like IT, and you have definitely a subset of information security exists within. Let's just say, for sake of argument, that information security is the big umbrella, and cybersecurity is within information security. Just for sake of argument, I think there's a segment of that, and possibly a big segment of that, that overlaps with IT. But there's also a segment of that that doesn't overlap with IT. So that's where I view that. Evolution of hacking. I think so. Alright, what are we going to do today? Anyone got suggestions for what we do? Question first. Yes. If it's about vouchers. Okay, let's say I have a ball. Hopping back on the learning grind, slowly chipping away at more progress to break into this industry. It'll definitely take me a while. Yeah, the industry is definitely difficult to break into. Okay, let's say I have a vuln, but the vendor doesn't want to acknowledge it. Can I disclose it anyway after some time to the public, I mean? So by acknowledge it, they mean they aren't going to fix it. Is that what you mean? So generally speaking, yes. It's called responsible disclosure. However, it's a tricky area because there's a lot of disagreement over the time periods. I think that's mostly I don't think anyone, or there probably are people, let's just say that, but I don't think anyone in general is saying that. Okay, most people are fine with with disclosing vulnerabilities after some time. Obviously, there are going to be people who think you should never disclose vulnerabilities. I am always in favor of working with the customer or the organization in this, vendor in this example, as much as possible. without if you can't, yeah, obviously I don't want you to disclose anything, but what was their overall response like? Did they just not think it was a vulnerability, or did they think it was less severe than you did? Like, what's the context behind why they aren't going to acknowledge it? Did they give you any? Can't really elaborate. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fair. I would try and go back to them. Kind of go fuck yourself. Oh, great. Okay. In that case, and it's definitely in a vendor, so it's not in like a product that's live. It's not like a website, but it's like it's a vendor product. So by which I mean it's not in like their own website, right? It's in a product that they sell or develop that other people install. Okay, yeah. So what I would do is basically I would honestly give them 3 months to acknowledge it. I would say, hey, I'm going to give you guys 3 months to acknowledge this and say that you're going to fix it. Otherwise, after 3 months, I'm going to publish a blog post because that's the responsible thing to do. Three months, I think, is a reason. So, and let's be clear, it's given them 3 months to acknowledge it and say they're going to fix it. If they do that, and then they say, well, we're going to, this is a bug that we can fix in the next 6 months. That's when you have to play the game of, okay, do I think 6 months is a reasonable amount of time to fix this bug? Right. So I've publicly disclosed XSS before in products, and the entire process from finding it to when they actually patched it was about 9 months. And for me, that was okay. Like, I understand development can be a bit hectic. Ultimately, the XSS wasn't super serious. If it was an SQL injection, I definitely wouldn't have given them 9 months. But like there's no standard, basically. I would give them 3 months to at least acknowledge and say they're going to fix it, and make sure that they say, okay, we're going to fix it, and we estimate we'll have it fixed by this date. CVS 8.8, yeah. If it's an 8.8, they realistically should be fixing it, honestly, within like a month. I'm guessing it's SQL injection. But yeah. Give them 3 months to respond, and if not, just write a blog post and disclose it. Did you, out of interest, were you asking for money? Or was that more, was you just more like, hey, I found this? I take it they didn't have like a... It was both. Did you ask for a certain amount up front, or were you just, hey, if you've got a compensation program? Not amount. Alright. So obviously, like, I don't obviously know what you wrote. It might be that the request came across as sort of like a demand for payment. So I've dealt with customers like that, where they think that, right, obviously you didn't mean to do that, and I'm sure it was fine, but like, yeah, a lot of them will come across as demand, or yeah, even like a ransom. So it sucks. The only other issue that I can foresee is that maybe if your real name is attached to it, then if you don't give me my vouchers, right? God damn it. Yeah, if your name's attached to the email in some way, then obviously they could potentially pursue legal action against you. It kind of depends on where you live. But yeah, it is a tricky situation. If you want to chat more about it offline, we can definitely do that. Okay, what are we actually going to do today, chat? Did someone say that Hacking Hub had a new one? Bookstore. I tried Bookstore. We're not going to do Bookstore. Bookstore, as far as I can tell, is extremely difficult. It's not a Web App Wednesday. I got somewhere on Bookstore. Great, hang on. Someone said like the Naham lawyer or something. Vuln lawyers. Let's do Vuln lawyers. So maybe at some point I'll stream some of the Bookstore one. Like I said, I did find a few things on it. I haven't got the first flag yet, but how far did you get on that game yesterday? Which game? We played 2. Okay. Have I got Hacking Hub? I don't. I should mount the disc 2 as well. Symbols on the wheel. Yeah, we sort of ended that one after a while, and we switched to Turing Complete, which is a very good game. Okay. Oh, do we do Von lawyers? Maybe we started it, but we haven't got it, so... Oh no, we did. We did it all. Oh, hang on. We did find it. What am I talking about? Alright, I tell you what then, screw it, we'll do John Swan, but there's no promises we're ever going to find anything on John Swan. Look at the rating of it. But I think it'll be interesting because yeah, it's yeah. I mean, I'll show you what I mean. It's quite interesting. Help me, I'm stuck on one CTF challenge. I mean, if you join the Discord server, you can probably ask someone in there. Ah, shoot, Arubius, I'm sorry. You haven't missed anything. Only one question? I mean, the issue is, like, what do you mean by, like, one... What do you mean by one question? Like, CTF challenges are quite difficult, usually, but, like... I can try and help. The issue is, like, trying to go on stream and do something is... You know... it's a little complicated. What's your opinion on the bug bounties under cert box? I haven't taken it, so I don't really have an opinion. All right, let me show you what I found. So I did this. I poked around at this yesterday. We're doing book. Yeah, so it turns out Vuln Lawyers I'd already done on stream at some point, and I completely forgotten about it. So, but there's literally no promises that we're ever actually going to get to the end of this. This one, as far as I can tell, was kind of complicated. So we have a bookstore. We have categories. We can browse nonfiction. We can go to more details. If you click purchase book, you get an error. If you go to authors, you just get a list of authors. There's a sign up that doesn't work. And there's a login. Okay. So, the one thing to note about this box is when you're viewing categories, categories have a UUID, and then books within a category just have a number. GUIDs, yeah, UUIDs, GUIDs, same thing. Okay? So, that's obviously something, and like trying to do some basic SQL injection here kind of just ends up in a bunch of weird errors. Then I didn't really try much. Like that is a 404 not found. It's a little different actually. So that's kind of interesting. If it's Ginger 2 SSDI, then you just need to use one of the Ginger 2 payloads. Oh, I've seen that one before. If you go to Hacktrix. Hacktrix has some payloads that get around it, I believe. Is console open? That's a good thought, actually. Oh, hang on, I need to... God damn it. Well, I'll show you what I found the other day. So here's the thing, I didn't actually run a directory bust on this. Whoops, crap. So, the other thing I found though, if you go to a book, and you go and view page source, and scroll down, you get this lovely submit edit form. The issue is none of these books are editable. Yeah, it's probably XXE, because this book XML thing. Why have we got a secret here? Is that always here? Yeah, we could try subdomain enumeration. So, what we can do here is copy this, and then if we do bookstore, config.xml, and then we go to this bit. That's right. Yep. Oh, 3306 is open as well. That's interesting. So we'll let Auto Recon run. Dots and underscores are blocked. Is the payload being submitted via a JSON object? Is that the same as GoBuster? No, this is Auto Recon. This is a thing that I wrote. This is a weird port, right? How do you find console? Someone in chat suggested it. Yes, min rate means it'll try and send 1,000 packets a second, and this means it'll try and do 1,000 tasks. It basically just speeds up Nmap a lot. We can always check port this port. Maybe we should actually just connect to it. Wait, you need an IP address now? Interesting. Yeah, I'm guessing we have to be able to find the pin somewhere. Okay, so that's SSH. So we've got 2 SSH servers. Watch this be XZ. John very quickly wrote an XZ box. 9999, I believe, is their custom server, right? This is taking a while though, which is kind of annoying. So XEBot I misunderstood completely. I thought XEBot was an exploit tool for the XE bug. It turns out it's not. it's more proof of concept. So it looks like the actual exe backdoor is so it has a hard coded check for the attacker's private key, and so effectively it means that the only way for the exe exploit, at least the RCE, to be exploited is the attacker's private key. Dashboard? Yeah, I think I discovered that. Doesn't that redirect you back and give you like a... Oops. It gives you a cookie, right? Yeah. So this should give you a cookie. Yeah, here you go. But I don't think you can do anything with this cookie. There we go. Alright, so it's finally doing stuff. It is JSON, yeah. So it's a JSON encoded cookie, but that's quite normal in Flask. Oh, interesting. Well, so hang on. FFUF failed. Why? And why isn't directory busting running? Oh, it is. Okay, so I don't know why the directory busting tool didn't run. We can just try it again, I guess. I really need to figure out why this is doing this. Shouldn't be this freaking slow. Oh, because I don't have the freaking word list. That's funny. That would kind of help, I guess. Okay, I'm going to cancel that. That's okay, though. We can just run these manually. everything? It's going good. I need to figure out if anyone in chat knows why, for some reason, Tmux and ZSH are very slow in pasting. That would be really useful to know. Yeah, it must be a misconfig, but the issue is I copied these configs all the way from my other Linux. Alright, so I don't think we got any... what am I doing? We didn't get any subdomains.
Generalissimo of 69 just redeemed wheel spin.
Oh. Why did that not... Did you hear that, chat, or not? You did. Okay. I'm going to reject it. Generalissimo, can you just redeem it again? I just want to make sure this isn't doubled. You can't. Okay, let me... Oh, crap. 5-minute cooldown. Gotcha. Alright. Well, I'll give you a free wheel spin. Let's... Can you... Let's race for it. Yeah, someone redeem like a marble race or something. I don't know. Actually, I can just redeem a marble race. Save you the channel points. Okay, did you...
Zero
that come through as...
Free reuse just redeemed marble race.
Was it doubled or was that fine? Loud and clear. Excellent. Alright, we'll do a marble race. Marbles. Heard Al under it? Yeah, that's because somebody redeemed Al at the same time. Marbles on stream. What's the hub? Interesting. This one has like a 91% elimination rate. That should be fun. Exclamation point play in Twitch chat if you want to enter the marble race. This is not a giveaway. Just a marble race. Unless chat beats the stream record. Interesting. Judging by the record, it doesn't look like anyone's been able to finish it. Oh. How you participate? Unfortunately, Mana, this is a Twitch-only thing. This is the unfortunate reality of multi-streaming. There are very little games that work on all streaming platforms. I have, however, disabled ads on Twitch now. Okay. Oh, Helen's in chat. I didn't even see Helen. Sorry, not Helen. Tellen. MSEC is, I think, in the lead. Yeah, Talon just fell. Where's everyone dying? For some reason, I'm still alive. Alright, there we go. Hexit. It's a massacre. There's still 22 marbles left. Only 7 people have died so far, which is quite impressive. I don't think you're stuck. You're spinning around very slowly. You're basically in a giant roulette wheel. It's just going very, very, very slow. Here we go. Oh, MSEC. Oh, MSEC. I don't know how MSEC even got there. Well, Redacted Age Music are battling it out over here. Oh, wait a minute. Who was that? Somebody just whizzed through and died, I think. Okay, Age of Music is technically in first. Oh, here you go. This is how people get out. But I think, yeah, you've made it through. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Is Rolly gonna hit? Nope. I died. Hexit. Hexit has a chance here. Nope. Oh, Jackson has a chance. Think no. I was Cypher Enigma. Cypher Enigma gets there. Holy crap! Well done. Question is this the end? $29 marbles came into this. So far, one marble has made it. And Digital Pickaxe and Lance are sort of stuck. They're just going back and forth. The fire will get them eventually, don't worry. Where's the fire? There it is. A world record time of 4 minutes and 41. One person made it through. Alright, well, you got the world record. Means I'm going to have to give you a voucher. You were the first person to finish this map, I think, ever. There was no world record. It's like your world record is the first. Yes, they're getting a voucher. How do you want to do the voucher? Do you want to... I don't know, you want a voucher or you want to give it to somebody else? Or do you want to do another race? Upgrade to 1? Yeah. So it's currently a 1 month hack the box. Do you want 2? Can we see the vouchers waitlist? No. Two, okay. I will change you to a 2. Alright, excellent.
Mr. Streamer.
There we go. Wheel spin time. Alright, now we have a wheel
You just redeemed wheel spin.
Yes, you did. Oh, God. I hate that one. Alright. So I've never actually done this with... with OBS yet. So let's see what happens. Keep changes. Alright, so. Upside down. Yes, so what I just did was I flipped my screen. Alright, so there's a setting in Windows you can flip your screen. Now on OBS, you'll notice it's not upside down. It's not upside down for you guys. It's definitely upside down for me. And trust me, you will notice because I can't freaking handle it when it's upside down. I really can't because everything's literally to move left. I have to move right. Okay. So I become very much slow. Oh, I need to set a timer. Hang on. Is that going to work? There we go. Just hold a mouse upside. No, I'm not going to cheat. Okay, alright, yeah, so I want to go to... Okay, Ferox Buster is this one, right? Interesting, we have a... Is that a sitemap.xml? So it found the console, it found categories, it found this login page. Dashboard, log out. Okay, so we have a... God. This is what I'm talking about. I'm so slow. when I'm upside down. Okay, interesting. So there's more. I think there's more books here. So let's download this. So wget. Okay, so basically, yeah, let's just have a look at this sitemap, I guess. Oh, great. Hang on. Let me open it in VS Code. Shit. Is it view word wrap? Okay, there's word wrap. Alright. So these are all, I believe, the categories. I need to enable word wrap by default.
Mr. Streamer.
What? Fix for the slow pace. Blizzard, thank you. I just realized I was going down to go up, but I actually need to go up because the other monitor is above this one. Alright, hang on. Alright, we'll do that when the timer ends, we'll do that. Okay, so I want to just... Crap, we can't even select stuff. There we go, okay. So I'm going to do that. We're going to go find. And we're going to replace it with a /n. There we go. Okay, are any of these the same? Okay, I don't think so. So, if we go back to our results, and then we go scans 80. Where's Ferox Buster? There it is. Okay. So these it took from the page, I believe. Oh, great. That's really annoying, but... So... Effectively, we have this one. Yep. So I'm just gonna... So was it this one here, this 2D? Yeah, here we go. This one here, this second URL does not, I believe, get displayed as a category. Oh, the timer's up. Excellent. Keep changes. Okay, that's new. Local staff or specific geographic locations. Do we just need to use X forwarded? We do. X-forwarded 4 worked. Excellent. Okay, so we have this. So I can actually just set this header now in my proxy. Request header, just shove it here. That should get added now to everything. So I should be able to refresh this. There we go. Aha! So we have 2 books we can edit. All right. So a rev shell? I mean, how would you get a rev shell? We gotta test for XXE first. So we got classic XXE here. I'm gonna modify this slightly. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna call this XXE. We're gonna take out the system variable. I'm just going to put Tiberius. And we're going to replace Alan Turing with XXE. Yeah. Boom! Okay. So, I love that it just deletes the thing. That's very, very nice. All right. So actually, here we go back here again. There. Read the file. Well, we're probably not root. Okay, so now what we can do is we can put system back here, and instead of Tiberius, what we can do is we can do file, and let's just try for Etsy password. And we're going to put the file in the description, because obviously description is probably doesn't have much of a character limit. Why X forward? That's to get around the error we were seeing here. These items are not available in your region. Okay. So I think that's fine. Apply changes, send, book updated successfully. Let's reload. Haha! And it looks like we have one user, home admin. So who wants to reckon they have an SSH key? ID RSA. Apply changes, send. Okay, and they do not have an RSA key. Interesting. What we could do is extract the source code. By going to proc self current working directory and then probably doing main.py. Okay. Could be app.py. Do we double check that this actually is still working? Let's see hostname. We got an error? Oh, interesting. Okay, so it is actually exporting it. That's a good point. So the issue is obviously it's trying to export it as XML and it's invalid XML. What we could do is bash history. Shit. None. We could do MySQL history. Oh, come on. So unfortunately, because this is Python, it's not going to do anything if we just give it a directory. At least it shouldn't. Yeah, there you go. Try getting the bash RC. No. Was it Java? Yeah, Java discloses directories. Interesting. What are we gonna do here? Let's just go back to get this thing here. You know what we should do is just put this. Oh, sorry. And then what we can do is we can just group these together into XXE. Send group in a sequence, separate connections, and yeah, there you go. I wonder if we can read from root. Do you think we can get the shadow file? No. Aha. So one thing we could try and look for, I guess, is HTTP servers? Maybe? Yeah. Like, what happens if we just go to dub dub dub? Like, what happens if we just try and hit? Shit. None. Hmm. Okay, that seems interesting. Wonder what if we do this, does that do the same thing there? What if there's like a config file we could do? It's like proc self. Actually, why don't I just do proc self command line? Okay. Status. Yeah, possibly. Am I just like... Am I just putting the... Oh! I'm missing out on all that. This entire time. Right. Okay, yes, let's look for these. Class console in LFI. Okay. Reveals the secret. This has trace. Yeah. Like the question, we need to find the actual. So the good thing is it does tell us which version of Python we're using here. So we could just try something like. I guess we just try to locate. I mean, this is brute forcing, right? I think we're on the right track with the LFI. Like we need to extract one pin from the variables given. But username to authenticate? We don't have a username or password yet. It just seems odd there'd be an obvious LFI, you know? Yeah, so maybe we don't need to actually... Alright, we'll save this. Do I want to save it as copy pin reverse? Okay. So first read the values of private bits. First index in the array is a string representation of the value UI. Okay. Alright, yeah, so we just need to go for this then, I guess. Okay, that didn't work. Oh god. Okay, so I think we can just try for EF0. Yeah, okay. So easily there's 0, so we've got this now. Conversion from hex to decimal. Okay, so when you convert this to from hexadecimal. Shit. Wait, what? Oh. Just do a hexadecimal. There we go. Come on. All right. It doesn't actually tell us where to put this though. It's really annoying. Hang on. So okay, so we just put it in the private bits array here. All right. All right. Yeah, here it is. Okay. Okay. Right now. Second index is the array. It's a combination of machine ID and proxy group. Okay, so we need machine ID. This is very confusing, to be honest with you. Alright, oh, did the box go down? Fuck. That's annoying. Wish it didn't take... Wish it didn't do that. Okay, at least it's up again. Okay, so we got this bit. Oh yeah, the S. Yeah, good point. Let's just do this one first. Okay. Um. Shit. Okay, luckily it looks like it didn't change. Okay, so hang on. So it's just this bit, and then this bit. Which is nothing, though. There's nothing there. So is it just this? It might just be this, then. Okay. Need the value of the user who started the application. Okay, so proc self environ. I'm guessing it's going to be the yeah, here we go. But I'm guessing that's just going to be, let's see. Why are you going? You can't leave. That's going to be www.admin. I'm assuming. Alright. Mod name. Okay, full on, so trial and error. So we're just going to try flask.app here. If this doesn't work, you can ban me. Alright, also application, which is also Flask. Okay, finally the path. And this is the issue, we don't know the path. Oh man, this is the problem. How do we get the path here? There's no debug. Cause an error in the app? Possibly, actually. Yeah, we can try a few things. Oh, I hate this about. No, it hasn't got these. This would ordinarily cause one of these debug errors, but it just doesn't. Try the default one. Proc self command line. No, it's out of range. Oh, it's Environ. I think that caused an error as well. Yeah, out of range. Certainly an array into the parameter name. The issue is I don't know if we have parameter names. There we go. Good thought. Oh right. That was very good thought actually. So we want the flask app.py. There we go. Okay, so let me just run this. Is that it? All right. Line 38. Where the fuck did... I think I just need to put num. I need to set num to something. RV not defined. Oh, shit. Well, well, well. If this works, cookies for redacted. We do need to... Redacted. Yep, ban him. Okay. That is insanely complicated. Damn, I like this box. That was ridiculous. I can't. Yeah, I think I remember this. Yeah, this exploit is just, it's so complicated because you have to get so much information, and a lot of it you can't. Like this, you can only get if you can crash the application, as we saw. All right, so now we can just run. Yeah, we just do this shit, right? Cool. Let's just do PWD. I'm just gonna. Yeah, there's something. Nice refresh. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, hang on. Idiot. Okay, it is in slash app. Alright, let's do an ls-l home admin. None. Dash LA. No, it's all freaking. There you go. So I guess we just have to get, yeah, we have to get a reverse shell now. Yeah, we probably could. Shell gen. Oh, but actually, yeah, now. No, I can just write, can't I? I can just write a. Can I do? Yeah, can I do import OS? Okay, I can do that. Cool. You gotta remember to can do this. I did create an SSH directory. Okay, so now what we want to do is do. Actually, SSH keygen. Cool. All right, now I can cat .sh idrsa dot hub. Okay, and now what we can do is home www-admin -.ssh / authorized keys. Making sure that's an underscore. Hang on. Okay. All those keys. SSH-I IDRSA at, and then Now it's either going to be port 22 or port 2222, so we have to try both. Haha! Look at that.
We are in.
All right. We don't know the sudo password. All right. Let's go into app. Just because maybe. We have a hashed password here. It does seem small, yeah. That might be. Oh, this is Assault, I think. Alright, never mind. Yeah, it is. It's Assault. My bad. So, unfortunately, we've got these. Oh, actually, shouldn't REMV be? What if I do EMV in here? This EMV surely should contain. Haha, yeah, there you go. I'm an idiot. So we got database access here, basically. Okay, so. Oh, what's the user actually? Does it have the user defined up here somewhere? Oh, it's just root. Oh, it's actually logging in as root. That's kind of funny. So dash u root dash p. Oh, there's no MySQL. But I should be able to log into it from here, right? Okay, hang on. Oh, it is -H. I forgot. Never mind. For some reason I thought it's capital H, but it's not. Yeah. Okay. So databases. Use book store. I doubt. I wonder if we were even supposed to get a shell. There's the password hash. Again, no hash is found. There's only one flag, so I'm guessing it's root. Did we copy this correctly? It is bcrypt, isn't it? So it's just bcrypt, I think. So we can do John. Oh shit. We prefer no spoilers unless we completely get stuck. It looks like we're potentially almost there anyway. And then we want... Okay. Oh. Yeah. I'm just thinking, like, do you think we need to log in? I wouldn't have thought so. S-Girl's running as root. That's a good question. I don't know if it is, actually. Let's do that. We are on a container. Login screen on the web app, but the thing is we have access to the web app code though. Now if we go to dashboard, let's cat the dashboard. I don't think we were supposed to get it. I feel like we... Did we accidentally... Oh, you know what? I think maybe 2222 is the... Okay, I think I know what to do then. I think 2222, right, is the database SSH server, maybe. So, I think what we can do then... Let's try something. Let's try generating a bcrypt hash. So we'll use CyberChef. How many rounds was it again? 12 rounds. All right. Alright, we're just gonna use password, screw it. Of course Cyber Chef has it. Okay, we're going to do update users set password underscore hash equal to this. Oh, no, I'm not. Come on. Okay, now we have this username. Now we can go to here. Okay, that's really annoying. Oh, I think I... Hang on. Database admin private key. Okay, but what does this mean? Oh, so hang on a minute. We're root on this box. Yes. Yes. This is great. I love this. So now we can just yeah, we can do this. And then ID, I think. Fuck yeah! Alright, now we can just do ls root. Okay, there's nothing there. Is it just in ls-l? Let's do a view page source. I'm gonna have to resubmit.
Thank you for following.
Okay, right, we're gonna use Burp Suite because obviously Burp Suite is amazing. Let's just go repeat so. There's no flag though. Yeah, I was going to use locate or something. No. Find name mag.txt. Maybe just root.txt. No, interesting. I did? Oh shit. No, there's still nothing there. I wonder if it's root.txt or something. We could just do find. Can we SSL? Oh yeah, maybe. That's weird though. Why have we got this though? It gives you the. Oh, it does. On the front end web server. Oh, so are we supposed to... Okay, hang on then. Let's copy this. This is why I love having chat around. Root ID. RSA. So now let's try. Oh, Chmod.
Thank you for following.
Do we need now to do -P? No. Oh, hang on. There's a little space there. Try this. Okay, so it's not that, so it probably is the... No. Yeah, I wonder if it is just... No, it's not there. Alright, one thing we can do here. Can we like just ping API? No, we can't ping anything. NC there? No, damn it. Curl? Okay, curl is there. Can we just do API? Oh, what about DB? Oops. Alright. So I think we can just use SSH here then, right? Oh shit, what am I doing? -U. Root at DB? Yeah, okay, maybe this. Alright, let's God's sake, really you forced me to use Nano John? God. Okay, right, we're just gonna echo this then. That should work. Chmod 600 root ID. And then if we do SSH-I root and then root at DB. Not shush, but SSH, please. Yes. Fuck yes. Oh my god, this thing never ends! This is a never-ending box! Damn it, John! I'm really enjoying this box now, but it's... Okay. Yeah, so that's the... Yeah, okay. So now we're on the DB. We need to get to the API. Okay, and the API has a Swagger thing. Oh, man. Alright, so I need to... Alright, let's just take this. And we exit. And we exit this. Now let's do... dash L. I think this is how you do it. 80 API 8888. Could not request local forwarding. Cannot listen. Okay, hang on. So I did it wrong. That's I need to do. Yeah, I don't know why I even set that up. This needs to be 8888. Okay, now we should be able to go to HTTP localhost 8888. Maybe take off the two of these. Aha! Alright. Why does it not send that sometimes? It's really annoying. Oh shit. Content type application JSON. Do we have a content type header? We don't. Failed to decode JSON. Unauthorized access. So there's a whole freaking like we're never gonna be able to finish this today. We need a proxy to access the API. We're proxying. Why do you think I set this to localhost? I used SSH. I set up an SSH port forward. So I did this SSH. So I basically just SSH to www-admin. You use the API key for the API call. Yes. I'm not sure how we use it though. Why can't you ever extend these? Do I have to refresh? That's really annoying. So Swagger. It might just be a bearer token. Or it could be XAP. Oh, hang on. Yeah, it could be XAP API. No. It's probably not going to be bearer though. There wasn't no the only endpoint here. Yeah, it's a pretty simple API. The annoying thing is there's no way to authenticate. Often when the API requires authentication, you'll have like a thing over here that says authenticate. It does allow an authorization header. Do we just have to put the authorization header in like this? No. Oh, I guess we should have probably done API here, but that doesn't really do anything. Oh, is this? Yeah, that's fine. Oh, I don't know. Is it XAP? Did I do XAPI key all caps? I forget. I definitely tried it. All right, let's have a look. Basic authentication. I mean, it's definitely base 64, but it's not anything like Unicode-y. It's got API base URL here. Look. So where does let's download all of this. I'm sorry, it's gonna take a little while, but whatever. App.py. All right. So that's downloading. I technically downloaded it. So where does the API base URL go? Oh, man. We can extend time, thank you. Get to the end of the challenge. God damn it, John. Okay, was there anything we missed here? Let's have a quick look around. I don't think there was. So we basically want to get to the root on this box. And effectively, the app running on this box Allows us to SSH. No, where did it allow us to SSH to? Only APA calls when you hit a set? I don't think so. I'm forgetting something. What did we use the root SSH key for? Was it just to do... Oh, I SSH here, didn't I? Oh, yeah, okay. Right, yep. No, shame. Okay, right, SSH it. I wonder if there's anything in here that we can see. It doesn't look like it. Why don't we just search for these characters or something? I'd rather not do a guess. This feels like it isn't a guessy box. So far, it hasn't really been guessy. I guess we could try basic. It doesn't really make any sense for this to be basic, but... yeah. But what are we setting the cookie as, though? No, none of them do. All that we have is this. Interestingly, we have this, though. This strikes me as odd that they would include this. J session ID? No. What do you mean calls through Swagger? You can usually do this, yeah. You can usually run calls like this. This is a, yeah. Try it out. It's a usual feature. Usually, when it requires authentication, there's an authenticate button as well. But in this case, I don't know. Thanks, Isaac. I'm probably going to end the stream soon anyway. It's getting late-ish, and this box, it feels like it's going to go. That's the thing about. I am calling it from the SSH box. I'm port forwarding. It's literally just it's going through here. So it's just going through it's going through this server. Well, it's not going through this one, but it's going through this one. Man, this is really confusing. Like, given how much I know about John, do you know the answer, Redacted? Is that why you're saying we're so close? You don't? Okay. What I know about John is I doubt he would put this in if we didn't need to use it. Submit ticket request for review sounds like it would be like an admin function. So I'm thinking it's maybe. Oh, but actually these have. Okay, hang on. HTML unescape, 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 unescape. Okay, so it's not in the category. Oh no, wait, this is the book. Yeah, so. No, because it base64 encodes the content. I mean, we can definitely try something like that. Oh shit. Oh, great. Go. Okay, and then we need to go to Right, you know what we're going to do? We're going to just add it to this category just to make it a little bit easier. Oh, it is only that. Oh, great. I guess I need to look it up on the MySQL database. No, it's this one. What? Okay, this tells me it wasn't supposed to do this, I guess, so... Post ad book. Repeater. Category ID. Author ID. Just one is fine. Um... Okay, 10 maybe? Error 500. Possibly because it went and... Alright, let's try this. Update, books, set, cover, equal to this, where ID equals 10. That is weird. Why is it doing that? No, we've already seen editable books. I think I'm gonna have to do this another time. This seems like it's going to be very, very difficult, this next bit. Alright. Yeah, I'm calling it. I'll save everything. I'll even save the project file. You know, we'll put... Just in case. There we go. I don't know why... Yeah, saving the JSON was the wrong thing to do there. Alright, so we're going to save this as env. I think this is app env, right? Yeah. Nav.py. Don't really need that. That's fine. This is the API. API token. That was the bash history. But is that just me? Yeah, it's just me. Come on. Why is it not showing me the save? It's fucking stupid. Alright, hang on. Okay, there we go. Save that. As DB. Alright. Yeah, I feel like that's it. Alright. Sorry we couldn't do more, but goddamn, that was a difficult box. I'm gonna message John and be like, okay, I think we're near the end. Maybe we'll do it this Friday. Frustration Friday sounds like a good day to do this box on. Unless we make Al do it tomorrow, that'd be funny as well. If we make Al do it tomorrow, then I can definitely I'll dip out before we solve it, assuming he solves it. All right. But don't help exactly. Right. Well, I appreciate everyone sticking around for the stream. Thanks for celebrating with me. It was a lot of fun. I'll give you back your wheel spin, XO. Cool. All right. So, Skyfire, subscribe with Prime for 4 months. I must have missed that. I have to apologize.
Thank you for following.
Thank you, St. Ange. All right. Well, because I don't want to do a wheel spin right at the end, so I refunded you the points. Oh, well, there you go then. I forgot. You've got 3 points now. Well done. Don't complain about it. All right. Let's see who's streaming. B7H30 is streaming. You're like, why are you refunding me my points? Who else is streaming? Siren's streaming. Why don't we raid Siren? Let's raid Siren. Alright, we're gonna do that. Oh, well, Alright, I guess we're raiding B8, B7. I accidentally, we're gonna raid B7. Doesn't matter. Either one was good. I just know Siren is streaming basically as a job now. So, all right, all good. I will probably see you Friday. Hopefully, let's finish this box. Fresh mind will be good. All right, say hi to B7 for me, and everyone enjoy the rest of their week. See ya. Oh, let me put the stream ending up. I'm a professional streamer. There you go. And for some reason, the title does not work. Never mind. See you guys.